everyone. We are going to next question of this chapter. It is explain decomposition of ferrous sulfate on heating, that is activity 1.5. We are taking one of the burner with the flame. We are taking one of the boiling tube. Inside of the boiling tube we are adding some of the material, that is when it is burned, it is wafting gas gently toward the nose. Do not point the mouth or boiling tube your neighbor or yourself because it is too much concentrated. So we are take approximately 2 gram of ferrous sulfate in a crystal form in a dry boiling tube. Ferrous sulfate matlab FeSO4. When we heat this boiling tube over the flame of the burner, and the crystal of ferrous sulfate are greenish, that is or else faint or else light green. When it heat, ferrous sulfate having some of the specific smell and is evolved due to the combustion of the sulfur because it is in a ferrous sulfate. And then combustion of sulfur form SO2 and SO3, which possess strong irritating smell because sulfur is concentrated form in this formation. When it is burned, it will give to the specific smell, and this smell is irritating smell. So what is the reaction over here? When FeSO4, that is ferrous sulfate, heat, it will gives to the ferrous oxide, that is Fe2O3, and at that time two other oxide will be also removed out, that is SO2 and SO3, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Next, what is mean by decomposition reaction? That is second type of reaction. Before this reaction we had seen combustion reaction. Give example. One of the chemical reaction in single compound heating. Reactant માં એક જ compound હશે, single compound. When we heat in the presence of sunlight or more than one product, it is called decomposition reaction. Sunlight હોય otherwise બીજું કંઈ પણ હોઈ શકે. One compound is break down into more than two or else two form, that is called decomposition reaction. So when we give heat to calcium carbonate, we are taking calcium carbonate. Calcium matlab Ca, carbonate matlab CO3. It decomposes to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide is also called quicklime. CaO, that is calcium oxide, it is also called quicklime. Calcium oxide quicklime, that is CaO, it is used in a manufacturing of cement. You have a 1 marker question. Which substance is used to manufacturing the cement? It is CaO. Other name of CaO, that is quicklime. So CaCO3, it is thermal decomposition, so we have to apply the heat. This is symbol is like that, and it will form CaO, that is calcium oxide or else quicklime, plus CO2, that is carbon dioxide. You can see that કે reactant માં એક જ compound છે, and જ્યારે reaction થઈ જાય છે ત્યારે 2 or else more than 2 form મળે, તો અહીંયા breakdown થાય છે આનું, અને જો breakdown થાય છે એને જ આપણે કહીએ છીએ decomposition. Now explain the decomposition of lead nitrate. Lead matlab Pb, nitrate matlab NO3. PbNO3 twice. First of all, we are taking 2 gram of lead nitrate powder in a boiling tube. One of the holder we are taking. With the help of holder we can take this boiling tube. When we apply the heat and form the flame of the burner, so at that time nitrogen dioxide is evolved. This is a gaseous form. It is boiling and heating lead nitrate. This is in a brown color gas. So what about the reaction of the decomposition of the lead nitrate? It is PbNO3, that is PbNO3 twice. It is lead nitrate. Apply the heat it will form PbO, that is lead oxide, NO2 that is nitrous oxide, NO2 છેલ્લે nitrous dioxide પણ કહેશું. કેવો કલર મળ્યો તો કે brownish color, and some of the oxygen also evolve in this reaction, that is oxygen gas. It is decomposition of lead nitrate. You can see that over here one reactant and it will form more than two products, so it is also called decomposition reaction. Now electrolysis of water with the help of activity 1.7. So we are taking one of the beaker, it is filled up with the water. We are taking two rods, that is anode and cathode. With the help of switch and battery we have to attach wiring. This is plastic mug and this is test tube. In the test tube we are taking one of the graphite rod, both are there, and it is dipped in a water. So what we have to do over here, so we can see that first of all we are taking a plastic mug, drill 2 hole, banana hole પાડીએ at the base of the mug, fix 2 rubber cork, એમાં 2 rubber cork ને fix કરીએ, attach કરીએ, and arrange the test tube in the inverted position such that carbon electrodes remain in it. Now we have to add the water in the mug such as the electrodes are immersed, ડૂબી જાય ત્યાં સુધી. Now we have to add a few drop of dilute sulfuric acid to the water, એટલે જેનાથી waterનું concentration થોડુંક વધી શકે. Now connect the electrodes with the help of 6 volt battery. Apply the switch, pass the current, and leave apparatus undisturbed, stable રહેવું જોઈએ. At that time oxygen gas is evolved during electrolysis of the water. Hydrogen gas is also evolved at the cathode during electrolysis of water. When one by one test tube are brought close to the burning candle, oxygen does not burn while H2 is burned with popping sound. So this is electrolysis of the water. Now explain photo decomposition of silver chloride. અહીંયા અલગ અલગ ટાઈપનું ડિકમ્પોઝિશન બતાવ્યું છે. પહેલાં 2 એક્ઝામ્પલ લીધા હતા, દેટ ઇઝ કેલ્શિયમ કાર્બોનેટ એન્ડ લીડ નાઇટ્રેટ. ઇટ ઇઝ થર્મલ ડિકમ્પોઝિશન, દેટ ઇઝ હીટ થ્રુ ડિકમ્પોઝિશન થાય. અત્યારે વોટરનું જોયું તો ઇટ ઇઝ વિથ ધ હેલ્પ ઓફ ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટી ડિકમ્પોઝિશન. શું થયું તો કે હાઇડ્રોજન અને ઓક્સિજન બંને ગેસ સેપરેટ થયા. નાવ થર્ડ ફોટોકેમિકલ, દેટ ઇઝ વિથ ધ હેલ્પ ઓફ લાઇટ. ફોટો મતલબ અહીંયા સનલાઇટ લેશું આપણે. ઇટ ઇઝ એક્ટિવિટી નંબર 1.8. First of all we are taking 2 gram of silver chloride in a china dish. We have to put the china dish in sunlight for some time. Silver chloride was white in color before exposure to the sun, and when it is exposed to sun for some time it is grayish color because ત્યાં એનું decomposition જોવા મળ્યું. તો it having one of the reactions are there. One of the AgCl, Ag मतलब silver, Cl એટલે chloride. Silver chloride and silver bromide both are used black and white photograph in films. You have a 2 reaction, AgCl photolysis થાય છે એટલે that is presence of the sunlight. Silver અને chlorine, silver અને bromine બંને separate થશે. It is the part of decomposition. Again I repeat, decomposition in a 3 type. One of the thermal, second electrolysis, and third one is photolysis. And these 3 types of decompositions are there. With the help of these 3 methods we have to perform electrolysis. Thank you.